first video tutorial and the second video tutorial, I'm actually going to focus this particular tutorial on the different blood flow. So I'm going to go start with blue. The reason I'm starting with blue is because I'm going to start with the deoxygenated blood. So, where does the blood come from? From the other tissues which have already utilized the oxygen. So it's going to go to the superior and inferior vena cavas. Those are the first to bring blood to the heart. So there's a top and there's a bottom, if you remember the schematic of the heart. This was the superior, this was the inferior, will both lead into the right atrium. Okay? So after you've done that, the blood is going to flow into the right atrium. After it's gone through that, it's going to go through valves. I'll represent valves in black. This valve is going to be the right atrioventricular valve, which is abbreviated RAV, also known as the tricuspid valve. Once you've gone through there, you've reached the right ventricle. Now it's going to go into another valve, the pulmonary valve. After it's gone through the pulmonary valve, it's going to go into the pulmonary trunk or pulmonary vein, whichever you wish to call it, into the lungs where it gets oxygenated. So here, it's oxygenated. So now I'm going to start going in red. Goes into the left atrium. Once again in black, the valve. This is going to be the left atrioventricular valve, also known as the bicuspid valve. And we also remember this one is also known as the mitral valve, that special name. This way. All right, red again. Now we're in the left ventricle. The next valve is going to be the aortic valve. And that leads into the aorta, which leads to the rest of the tissues in the body. All right, so in the next few tutorials, I'll be talking about heart attacks and clogged arteries, but this one sums up the blood flow. And if you caught this one but you missed the first two, turn to the tutorial for basic heart structures. And I'm under Ms. Azua 5. And there will be more and more different tutorials coming along about anatomy and biology concepts. Thank you.